These are some birds and Rochelle Markey tires, and I have no idea what they're doing. They're just pecking at it, and I think they're trying to make nests. Or they're just pecking at it. It's really weird. Rochelle says they're weirdos. By Jacqueline Markey. That's saying that. Thank you. There's like 5 or 6 or 7 birds around her tire.
This is weird.
Now they're kind of going away from it. Only to like either on the tire or in the tire.
Oh, there's one inside the rim.
Yeah. They're probably going to try to make nests. Or just sit there and peck at it. I wonder if there's any on the other tires. I saw a scrub jay right there and right there, but they're not there yet. No. Hey, Ken. And I'm looking for my friend in a purple car, probably.
Kimmy!